If you want to insert your SIM card into iPhone 17e, then in this case take a look at the left side of the phone and check if you have the SIM tray. So if you do, then you need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box, and then we need to put it into this SIM tray hole that we have here in this place. So we're gonna put it in just like that, and then once it is in, you want to press it into the phone in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the device. Now over here we have the SIM card slot. So now we just have to put it correctly into its slot. There we go. And once it is in, you can just slide it back into the phone. So this is what we're gonna do. Of course, be careful not to drop the SIM card in the meantime. And just slide it in with your finger and make sure that the SIM tray goes all the way into the phone. It should not stick out at all. If it does stick out and you have trouble with inserting it into the phone, just remove it and make sure that your SIM card is inserted properly. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.